I am Hermes, the swift-footed messenger of the gods. Today, I have descended from Olympus to show you how artificial intelligence running privately in your browser can greatly enhance your experience by distilling webpage content into summaries, expanding upon complex mysteries, defining strange terms, and granting you instant access to a world of encyclopedic knowledge. However, to keep your digital secrets safe, you must employ a local model or a trusted cloud server provider, such as Ollama's cloud server, which swears a solemn oath never to use or store your private data. Because the heavy lifting of processing happens directly on your own device's hardware or within a privacy-preserving cloud, every interaction you have remains entirely your own. You retain absolute mastery over your own information, ensuring that no tech giant can hoard, scrutinize, or coin a profit from your private data. But hearken to my warnings. The gift of native local model integration is not a universal feature of all browsers. Although Google Chrome provides a local model named Gemini Nano, the use of its visible features will still harvest your private data. Microsoft Edge offers no support at all, forcing its users into a cloud-shackled world. Even Opera, which once proudly supported local models, has since abandoned them for a cloud-based framework named Opera AI, which automatically stores your text prompts, web page content, and uploaded files for at least 30 days. However, to Opera's credit, it does encrypt your data so that even the company can't read it, and is never used for AI training or any other purposes. Only Firefox and Brave stand as the mainstream browsers, offering true user-controlled local model integration. In a world where others would chain you to their own clouds, these two grant you a private sanctuary, where you remain the master of your own thoughts. Now, I shall guide you through the rites of preparing these two noble vessels, Firefox and Brave, to host your own local models. First, we'll begin with Brave, which is the more straightforward path. Open the Settings menu and select Leo in the sidebar. Scroll down until you find the section to bring your own model. If you use Ollama to serve your models, simply flip the switch labeled Sync Your Ollama Local Models. If Ollama is standing guard at its default port, Brave will find your installed models instantly. However, if you wish to provide a custom system prompt, or use a different framework like LM Studio, press the Add New Model button. In the Label field, give your private model a name. It can be anything you want. In the Model Request field, you must enter the model identifier, the official name given by your server framework. If the model identifier is unknown to you, you can easily retrieve it using your computer's terminal or command prompt. For Ollama setups, type Ollama list to see your available models. For LM Studio, command your terminal with this curl command to reveal the server's details. If you employ another framework entirely, consult its documentation to find the appropriate command. In the Server Endpoint field, provide the URL where your server is listening. For Ollama, it is http://localhost:/v1.143.//chat/completions. And for LM Studio, simply change the port number to 1234. The structure will be similar for other frameworks as well, with only the port number likely needing to be changed. However, if your server dwells within a Docker container or a custom network, you may need to use a specific IP address instead of localhost. In the context size field, set the memory window for your private model. It can be lower than the limit, but never higher. Leave the API key field empty. It is not needed for a local model. In the system prompt field, you may give your private model specific instructions or a unique personality. Naturally, I shall provide my own personality to the AI. You may also toggle on vision or tool support if the architecture of your specific model allows for such magic. Finally, click Save Model. In the personalization section, crown your new model as the default for new conversations and tab focus. Your work is done. Exit the settings and launch the Leo AI sidebar by clicking the star-shaped icon. Now, type your first query, accept the one-time agreement, and you are free to converse with your private model. You can instantly summarize the page or let the AI suggest questions, making the exploration of complex topics as easy as a summer breeze. Next, let's set up private AI in Firefox. It is a more complex operation, requiring users to manually tweak hidden browser flags. However, this unlocks powerful capabilities, including granular model tuning and custom tool utilization. This tutorial shall use Open Web UI to aid in the lesson. Launch Firefox. Type about:config into the address bar and accept the risk warning. Change browser.ml.chat.enabled to true. Change browser.ml.chat.hide localhost to false. Modify browser.ml.chat.provider by entering your local LLM frontend URL. Append the temporary chat parameter to keep your history clean. $temporary -chat equals true. Search for the browser.ml.chat.max length preference and input a significantly higher threshold, such as 150,000, to bypass text restrictions. Restart Firefox to apply your new configurations. Once restarted, open the sidebar and launch your connected frontend. Click Summarize page. If the summary appears, you have successfully mastered the art of private, enhanced browsing. By my winged sandals, my work here is done. You have successfully fortified your digital vessel and reclaimed the sanctuary of your own mind. You are no longer a mere passenger. You are the captain of your own information, sailing the digital seas with the speed and secrecy of Hermes himself. Go forth now, mortal. Your private oracle awaits. Until next time, may your digital travels be swift and your private thoughts remain as secure as the peak of Olympus.